students. Welcome back once again. So we are directly into our lab now. And our topic today is how to assemble a four-wheel car or robotic car. So you can see in your picture, I have unboxed a complete part. So I will just explain you how you will do it. This is for best use for your DIY projects. How you are going to fix it, how you are going to use it. It is for all grade of students. Okay. So first unboxing, you can see I have already unboxed it. What are the parts inside? I will just tell you, and what is required and why, from where we have to start, that I will tell you. Okay. So first of all, when you unbox, you have to check all the accessories. Accessories means all the things are correct or not, whether you have received all the parts or not. Right. In that case, what you have to check, first you will check the chassis. There will be two chassis like this, right? One on the top and one on the bottom. So the two chassis should be there, right? Okay. 4 DC motors, 1, 2, 3, 4 DC motors. You can see this DC motors, motor is fixed and the shafts are there. Okay. Then 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because this wheel will fix on the motor. Okay. Then tires, whether the tires are proper or not. The wheels should have the tires. Tires can be of different type. It can be a belt type. It can be bigger. It can be a broader. So different type of tires you will get. So whether it is 4 or not, that you have to see. 4 copper pillars with nuts, screw, that I will just show it to you, and motor holders. So these things are necessary. These are the copper pillars. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, minimum 4 should be there. These are the long screws. This is for fixing your motor. This motors for fixing this. You should have those long screws. It will be 8 in numbers. If it is a 4-wheel, please remember 4-wheel. And if it is only 2 wheels, then it naturally will become half. Okay. So then these are the holders. These are the motor holders. It should be 8 in numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 in pairs. Then same number of nuts should be there. Nuts will be fixed to this as well as this, and small screws should be there. That is, if you are fixing the screws also, so 4 to 6 screws has to be there. What are these things? This is not necessary actually, but sometimes if you are using a Hall IC for the speed and control of the motor, at that time this is required. Otherwise, because it fixes on this side, that is this side or that side of the one side, the wheel will be there, another side, this part will be there. Okay. The next is you should have a proper tools for this. So screwdriver sets, you should have it. Okay. These are the screwdriver set what I have. The Phillips one, compulsory you need to have it, and the flat type of screw, that is a flat type of screwdriver that you should have it. Okay, right. All right. We'll need a soldering iron also. Of course, soldering iron, soldering lead, right, and soldering paste. Right. These are the paste. Okay. So all these things will be required because you need to solder. So first you will start with what? After heating, you need to solder the wires. Please remember, you will get wires also. Black and red wires. This thing will be also be there. So if it is not there, you can just take simple wires and all, and you can cut it in a same shapes and sizes. Okay, right. Okay. So for the first part, what you have to going to do on the motor, you can see there are 2 connections on the motor. These 2 connections are there. You have to solder it with the wires. Okay. So all the 4 motors, all these motors, you have to solder the wires. Please remember. One side you have to take it as a positive, that is red color. Another side you can take it as a negative, that is black in color. I will start the assembling part. Please watch it carefully. I will, with the meantime, I will keep on telling you how you should assemble, and you please watch. All right, friends and students. First, base. When you are fixing, first you have to take the base. And my suggestion would be, instead of joining both the base together to make it hard, that is only one surface, motor, and one surface, the complete arrangement of your circuit and everything will be on the top. I would suggest you make 2 compartments like this. So this thing, there will be gap in between and you can use it properly. So how to do it? Just put a gap, right? One side, this will be second side, and bottom of this, you will have the rotating parts. Right. So first of all, we'll start with fixing the motor with the holders. Okay. So how you will fix it? Take one part of this, put it here. You can see I've already soldered it. So you have long screws like this, right? Put one screw over here. Okay, right? Okay. Second screw, you can put it here. The screws have been placed. Okay. Now you take the bottom chassis, bottom chassis. Suppose this is bottom chassis. So I'm just fixing it like this. Okay. There is a groove here. 1, 2. So one motor will be here. Second motor will be this side. Third motor will be this side, and fourth motor will be that side. So please remember, I'm just fixing the outer part. Okay. Now what I will do is I will take one more chassis like this, the holder, sorry, the holder like this, and I will just fix it the other side. Okay, right? So one is from this side inside, you have to hold. Second one, you have to put it on that side. And this side you have got nut, right? So we have to fix the nuts and bolts. Okay. So nuts, I will just try to fix it. You can see like this. And the second one, I will just take it. I will fix it on the bottom side. So you can see I'm just fixing both the nuts. You can tighten it with the screwdriver. Both the sides, you can just tighten it. Hold the nuts and all, and then you can tighten it properly. How you will do it? Hold it like this, tighten it nicely. Use the Phillips screwdriver. The grip should be correct. Tighten it properly. Tighten it very gently. Don't apply more force because this is hardboard. Okay, so all hardboard. We made plastic also in this, but this is hardboard. Okay, right. So you can see now it is fixed properly. Okay, right. So all the four motors, we have to fix it in this the same way. Okay, all the four motors. Please see this. Suppose you are fixing a second motor. Suppose if you want to fix a second motor, see that it should be facing this side. Why? Because this is if it is facing this side, so it will be easy to give motor connection. That is, the distance of the motor will not be there. We can fix it this like this also. There is no issue like that, but we can fix it like this. But the distance will be more, like the wire distance will be more. So please try to fix it the same direction. Okay. So I'll just fix it. You please watch. One side, you'll be fixing here. Another grip. Take this one. Put it from the bottom side of the hole. All right. And fix it. You can see here. That's the second motor has fixed. Just put the nut and bolts here. The screwdriver, tighten it properly. So now both the motors are fixed. All the connections will be there. I'll just show it to you. All the connection will be there. Okay. But please remember how you will give the connection. You watch it properly. The motor connection, while you're giving it, don't give this black wire to this one. It should be cross. That means if it is connected to the bottom, this should be on the top. Okay. Here also, same. If it is on the top, it will be on the bottom. So it will fix like this in the cross. And then the holes is given here. Holes are given here. You can take out the wires from here. Why? Because, right? And likewise, you can fix it and you can take out the wires. Right? So two motors have been fixed. We'll fix these two motors also. This third motor. Again, the same thing. I have to do it. One goes here. Now already we have fixed this two here. Just lock it and put it. The same thing. This side also. Already one is there. I'll fix. Again, please remember the motor connection should be on this side. All right, friends. Now you see this after fixing all this thing, how to fix it. You please check that it should all the nuts should be tight. Okay. Otherwise, the motor will be just moving like this. So what we will do is we'll just tighten all the screws and nuts. Okay, properly, and it should be grooved properly. Okay, please remember this. This is very fixing part is very important. So that's why what we have to learn, because fixing on dependent with the balance, the running, everything will depend upon this particular part. That is, it will not rotate properly, or otherwise you will have a lot of problems. So please tighten all this. Okay, done all this. After fixing all the four motors like this, right? Now we'll go for the soldering part. That means I told you, take this four wires, right? Two red and two black wires, small wires, peel it from both the sides, tin it with the help of a lead and paste. Lead and paste, you tin it. How to do the tinning part, I will just show it to you. Then make it cross connection from here on the top and from bottom here to this place. Okay, that we have to check. Okay, again, I'm telling you, from top to bottom of the other end, from this top to from this bottom to another bottom. Likewise, we have to fix it. So now take your soldering iron, heat it properly. Suppose this is the wire. Please, what type of wire you have to use? Flexible wire. Okay, not the stiff wire. Okay, flexible wires are better for soldering. So just dip it a little. Okay, take it to near to your soldering iron. Put a little lead on this. At the same time, you can just put little lead on this also. So you can see this is a tinned part. Okay, this is we call it as a tinning. Both the ends you have to do it. Same thing. Right? Okay. Now please see what I'm doing. Please see here. Bottom side, I told you, bottom side I have fixed it here. Don't apply much of a solder because it's a small point. So just put a little solder. It is fixed. and this will go to the top here. You can see here, it will go to the top. Little soldering, okay? So that's fixed. Get it dry for some time. Now you can see, you can pull it a little. It is fixed. Don't pull it hard because the points, motor points are very gentle. Okay. Same time, you can take this black color also because red we have fixed it. So black from the bottom side, first cleaning part. Right. Okay. Just take a little this thing. Done. At the other end, please remember, long wire also you have to take it because it has to go to other end. So two long wire were red and one black. But joining this motor, you have to, the wire should be short. That's what we are doing. Again, cleaning part. Okay. Gently you have to do it. This comes with the practice. Please remember, all of you, this comes with the practice. Okay, this thing has come out. Slowly, slowly and gently. Do it. There is a plastic also. You see that the plastic doesn't get burned. Okay, so it is fixed now. So one wire is fixed. We have to connect one more red wire from here, and we have, our connection is over. All right. Again, see, I've zoomed it a little thinning part. You can see I'm just how I'm doing. Put it in the paste, little drop, and just put little lead on it. All right. Then I said already we have fixed this wire, black color. We want one more red wire. So red will come from the red. Okay. Gently hold it. Don't shake your hands. Just a moment, for the moment only you have to hold it. Now it has soldered. So both the wires have been soldered. That is plus and minus of this thing, and cross connection we have already given. Right? I hope you understood this. Same thing you have to do it on this side also. Same thing you will do it on this side also. All right, I'm doing on this side also. You can see. Okay. Already wire is there. You have to slowly hold it properly. And gently you have to solder it. Probably we have not pinned it properly. So for tinning purpose, what you have to do again, please check. Little lead on this side, little paste and lead. Then you have to take little lead and just put it on the top of this. All right. So you have to, so that it holds properly. Okay. Cleaning should be done properly. Otherwise, the soldering will not be hold properly. So I'm just connecting it now. So these are all live practicals. Please remember why I'm showing you this all live practicals. You should learn and you should try to do the same. Okay. So this is red wire has been connected. Same type, we will connect the black wire also. All right. Now the last wire, we are connecting the black wire. Please see. Don't burn this plastic thing. Gently, you have to do it. Don't shake your hands. Okay. Please remember this. But of course, that will come only with the practice. Keep on doing it. You will definitely you will learn. Right. Okay. Done. So likewise, we have given the connection. We'll go to the next step now. All right. So fixing of motor, fixing of clamp, soldering part is over. Now you please see what I'm doing now. This is suppose this part is there. Where it will come? This will come from the inside. There is a gap over here. You can see gap. This is the gap. Okay. So this will go in between that gap and it will fix properly. Actually, it will be fixed like this. Right. Now you can see here how I have fixed it. Inside, how it has been fixed. Exactly in the gap. Inside, how it is fixed. Right. So you have to be very careful. Slightly you have to push it. Okay. You don't have to hard this thing. Same thing you have to do it on this side also. This side of the motor also. But this is not necessary when you will do it when you are using some Hall sensors. Okay. For speed related sensors, if you are using, then only you can do it. You can see now all the four of them are fixed. Okay. How it has been fixed, you can see. So this part is over. Okay. So bottom side motor fixing, this is over. Finally, what is to be done? I will just tell you. I have turned it. You can see all the fixed. The motor has gone down. Okay. Now the final thing is we have to fix the wheels. Okay. How you will fix the wheels? These are the motor connection we have taken on the top from the hole. We can take from any of the hole. However, it depends upon you how you are going to use it. There are different type of holes made over here. It depends upon you. Okay. My suggestion would be it should be hidden. Like it should not be visible from outside. So don't take it from outside. You take it from the holes. Okay. Now we'll fix the motor. Okay. There is a groove. There is a groove here. Actually, then you have to fix it properly. It should go inside the groove. there is a fixing groove. Okay. So this side we have fixed it. You can see 2 wheels we have fixed. We'll fix this side also. Okay. I've just turned it. I'm going to hold it like this. Right, done. It should fix in the groove. Okay, please remember it should be fixed in the groove. Don't force it very hard. Okay, fixed. Okay, right. See that the play should not be there. The wheel should not be touching this side. Okay, the wheels should not be touching in it because there should be an obstruction. So see to that it should not be touching anywhere. There should be a little gap. You can see here, little gap is there. So if gap is not there, just a little push it outside. Okay, from both the side. Okay, so this is very important. Now this thing is ready. Okay, my base is ready. You can see my base is ready. So bottom chassis, motor fixing, tire fixing, wheel fixing, motor fixing, all have been done. Soldering has been done. The motor connection has come out. Now see what I do on the second side. So I said, okay, we will use one more platform on top of this. One more platform on the top of this. The second will be exactly on the other side. 4 corners you have to take it. This one here and this one here. Okay? So these are the 4 corners we have taken it. Okay? So how you will fix it? Yeah, again, please remember we have nuts and bolts for that. Nuts are there. So we have to fix it with the help of a nuts. So see, one end has come over here outside. You can see here outside. Put a nut on that. We have plenty of nuts in that. Like this. Just tighten it properly with the help of a nose plier or some cutting plier. You can do it. Okay. It should be fixed properly. It should be tight also. Okay. All the 4 sides. Here. We have to do it. All right. So we have fixed the 4 pillars, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Right. Now we have left over with the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 small screws are there. Now the final part. On the top of this, the other chassis will come. Which chassis? This is the chassis. Okay. So I will just show it to you how it will be fixing. You have to correctly fix it. On the top of it, this will fix it up. All right. So we have fixed this side, and I'm fixing on this side also. How I'm fixing it, please check. Put a screw on one side. There is a provision for giving the screw will fix on the other side. The nut will be there. Okay. So nut can be on the bottom side. My suggestion would be put the nut on the bottom side, because the bottom we are not using. It's only this thing. Keep the top surface flat. So this portion should be flat. So now we have fixed all the 4. Please see. Okay. All the 4. Now you can tighten it properly. Okay. Once it is fixed, you can tighten it properly, so that it will be, the grip will be good. All right. All right. So now it is fixed. So my robotic wheel is ready now. All right. So these 2 wires, these are the wires coming from the motor. If you are connecting or putting the driver on the top, my suggestion would be put the driver on the bottom, this floor. So driver will be inside. So the connection also will go inside. Okay. The connection will go inside, and other boards which runs like Arduino, if you are using Arduino board or any other board, ESP board or Wi-Fi board, any other board, it can be on the top. Okay. Power supply means what? Suppose you are using a battery pack. So you can keep the power supply inside. Power supply in the sense battery and driver inside, and rest of this thing will be on the top. Or we can put the board also inside. Which board? The Arduino board, the USB board, the Wi-Fi board, or any other board what we are using. That also we can be placed inside. Okay. So top can be free. So if suppose you are using for another project, like sensors, you want to add some sensors, you can put on the top. This side you can put it. Sensor, any side you can put it. Side also you can put it. One more thing I would like to tell you, we can fix switch also. Please remember, there is a provision given directly. On or switch can be placed. You get a size of a switch here, and you can place the switch on the top. So this is the suggestion. Now, I've explained you about how to assemble it. Please remember. Next project will be, I will make this moving. We'll make a RC car, that is remote controlled car. Everything we will make it by ourselves. Last video you have seen, we have made a driver for this. Please remember, 4 wheels. You get with 2 wheels also. Chassis will be a little smaller, but wheels will be 2. So what we do when the 4 wheels are there, I have connected in this thing in series. Okay, the series connection, motor connection is in it series. That you have to keep it. How to assemble it? That part you have come to know today. Thank you for watching.